Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare split chickpea lentils with egg. This is chana dal with egg. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, I have taken 200 grams of chana dal and I have soaked it in water, washed it and soaked it in water for near about 15 minutes. I've taken 2 hard-boiled eggs and I have made slits on it like this. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes and I have cut them roughly. 2 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. This is 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste if you have, but if you use chop, it gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. Here I have taken 2 dried red chilies, cinnamon sticks. You can see 1 big cinnamon stick and 1 small. That means you can take 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 4 green cardamoms and 4 cloves. Half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per our taste, and I'll be preparing this recipe in mustard oil. So the very first step that we are going to do is we are going to boil this dal in the pressure cooker. So here I have put the chickpea and sufficient water. I have put 3 cups of water in this. Just we'll boil it in this plain water. So we'll close the cover of this pressure cooker. So I have closed the lid. Now we are going to cook for near about 4 whistles. We'll cook for 4 whistles. Meanwhile friends, we are going to take these eggs, boiled eggs. We will add little bit of turmeric powder. Just a pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder and a pinch of salt. And we will just rub it against these eggs. Just rub it and keep it ready. Now friends, after 4 whistles, I have opened the pressure cooker lid and as you can see, our dal is cooked. So now we will keep this like this only and we are going to heat a karai. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once our oil is heated, we'll fry these eggs. So friends, once the eggs get fried like this, we will take it out from the flame. Be careful while frying the eggs as the oil splatters a lot. So we are going to add the cinnamon, cardamom and clove into the hot oil along with the dried red chilies. Then we will add the chopped ginger and garlic. Now we will add the chopped onion. Now we will saute and cook this onion till it gets slightly cooked over medium flame. Now as our onions are slightly cooked, we will add the dry spices, that is the coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll mix it in the oil. Mix it with the oil and the onion, and then add the tomatoes. Now add the salt, as the tomatoes needs to get cooked. So add salt as per your taste. Remember friends, we have not added salt when we boiled the dal. So just keep the dal in mind and add the salt. Now we'll cook all the masalas along with the tomatoes over a medium flame till the tomatoes becomes nice and soft and the masalas gets cooked very nicely. Now friends, as you can see, the tomatoes are cooked nicely and the masala is also done. So now this is the time when I am going to add the boiled chana dal along with the water that I have boiled. Increase the flame. Now we'll bring this to boil. Once it comes to boil, we will add the coriander leaves. We'll add half of it, half we are keeping it. So just half of the coriander leaves. We will cover the lid and we will let it get cooked for near about 3 minutes over high flame. After cooking it for 3 minutes, I will remove the lid. Mix it. Now this is the time friends when we will add the fried eggs to this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. The remaining coriander leaves. And cover this for another 1 minute so that the juice goes inside the egg, the curry, the flavor of the curry. Now after 1 minute we'll remove the lid. We will stir it. And we will put off the flame. So here is our simple, easy and tasty chana dal with egg ready. We'll transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our egg and split chickpea curry ready. Chana dal and anda is ready. Serve it hot with some hot rotis or parathas. Very simple recipe, friends, and it gets ready in just few minutes. Hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.